What's going on? Got a beautiful 17-foot deck boat from Starcraft here. This is a 2021 171 SVX Outboard. Has a 115 Mercury command thrust. Lots of upgrades on this boat, actually. This is one of them. It's a really cool system here. You can use this handle to drive it. Very interesting. You can walk it and drive it by just doing a handle. It's kind of nice. Even the wheels got an upgrade with the blue in the background. Matches the blue on the entire boat. Gray interior with the gray mats all through the boat. Here's the engine. 29 hours on this boat. Practically brand new. Lots of space in this deck boat. For a 17-foot boat, being able to have 10 people is amazing. Ski tow pylon here, so you can do your tubing and skiing there. It's above the engine, so it gets you up out of the water, which is nice. Little L seating in the back. The mats on the floor are snap in and out. That's an upgrade. The seats have a seat protection it's called Vantage, which is transferable for another 3 years. Bolster seat for the helm. Fairly simple helm here, but has all you need. Bluetooth stereo system, all your buttons, fuel, all your gauges here, miles per hour, everything. 10 people. This boat will probably run you about 30 to 35 miles an hour. Lots of space in the front here with the ladder so you can get up on both sides. Speakers. Has a lot of storage inside this boat. All of these seats have a really deep storage in it. Under the helm here, all of here, and then right there as well. So really, really nice boat. Save a little bit off of new. Come check her out. Thank you.